We then started looking at some AICE style questions, and you might want to pause the video at this. You can also find these in the textbook as well. I've done a representation of what this picture is, just so we can see what the answer is going to be. But this isn't going to be accurate enough, particularly when we have numbers that aren't whole numbers, so we need to do a more algebraic approach. This is just to check our answer, so it looks like what we're looking for here is 2, 3. Now the key part about this is, if we've got opposite ends of the diameter, and we're trying to find the centre of the circle, then what we're actually trying to find from this picture is the midpoint of those 2 points. So if we have our 2 points, negative 2, 1 and 6, 5, to do the midpoint we're going to use this formula. So a lot of this comes back to knowing those formulas from geometry. So if we do negative 2 plus 6, that's going to give us positive 4, and then we've got to divide it by 2. 1 plus 5 is 6, and then we have to divide that by 2 as well. And then 4 divided by 2 is 2, 6 divided by 2 is 3, and you can indeed see that this is the coordinate 2, 3, just like it says. So you can draw a little picture to help you to try and figure out what the problem is, but you can't use that as an accurate proof as an answer to your question. Now also this question says, what is the equation of the circle? And we're actually going to leave that now because that's not part of Algebra 2 anymore, and we'll come back to that when we actually get onto AICE 2. I believe it's chapter 10 or chapter 11.